We go now to the several homes have been damaged after strong winds swept through villages around Cacadu under eMalahleni municipality in the Eastern Cape. And Newzroom Afrika's Ntsiki Nohiya is there with one of the affected families and the mayor of eMalahleni. Ntsiki, good morning. Tell us more.
Good morning, Iman. Yes, it's about 5 villages that have been badly affected by the strong winds from Sunday and yesterday. Even today, Iman, there's still strong winds. And when we were on our way here, even our car was swerving on the road. We had to drive cautiously. But with me, I have Nokwanda Zwedala, who's one of the victims. Her 5-roomed house has been blown away. The roof has been blown away. Only one room is left, and she stays with 5 members of the family, including grandchildren. Makhulu Nokwanda, khasixelele yenzeke njani lento, uve ntoni, kwenzeka ntoni, nasinda njani, kunjani ngoku apha ekhaya?
Siye sathatha ndihleli nomzukulwana wami ekamreni. Kwaseva into ethi gqum phezulu, kanti kukumkako phahla. Xa ndivela lumkile alisekho. Asakwazi ke ngoku ikamera le sayizama ukuyivala ukwenzela umoya ungangeni unyuke nawo. Sahlala apho kuloo kamera. Bafika ke abantwana abanye bebengekho. Bayibona nabo lento. Kanti unyana wami uselapha ebesithi uya ejobhini.
Nihlala njani ke ngomakhulu ngoba ndiyabona uba ligumbi elinye elisindileyo nabazukulwana abathathu rather nonyana wakho nawe nihlala njani kweli gumbi elinye?
Sihlala ngoba iibhedi ababini balala nonyana, ababini balale nam, omnyala le nam.
Ngoku bebefikile abasemagunyeni baye bathini kuni, bathe kuzokwenzeka ntoni usukela ngoku?
Baye bafonele Lady Free baxela into koba kukho into eyenzeke ngolu hlobo apha, mabalungise, basilungiselele indawo ngoba asilawukwazi uphinda sibe sihlala kule ndlu ngoba ingasibulala.
Thank you so much, Ugogo. Iman, before I get back to you, I'm going to show you the house that Gogo Nokwanda is talking about. A 5-roomed house, only one room, survived. And she's got neighbors and some, officials from the eMalahleni local municipality who are here to give support. And they in fact, part of the team of the mayor that is going to be here in these villages to assess the damage and combine, a report so that they can report to Chris Hani District Municipality. That is the municipality that is responsible for disasters of this magnitude. We're still waiting for the mayor. I understand she's on her way. Zanele, the mayor of eMalahleni local municipality, together with the team from disaster unit in Chris Hani District Municipality. When she arrives, we're going to have a chat with her and really find out what is it that they're going to do, what are the plans in place to make sure that they provide temporary shelter for the affected families. Some of the houses are have been partially collapsed, Iman, but most of them, all the roofs have been blown away by strong winds. Back to you.
Ntsiki Nohiya, thank you very much for that. It's just such a sad compendium that we're putting together for our viewers today of sights of suffering all across our country. Hearing that family all holed up in one room now, given the state of their home following those strong winds. We'll hear back from the officials in the province and in that particular district how they plan to help these communities.